Greetings, gamers. Welcome to the Dragon's Den. Today we are taking a look at an exotic new mouse from Pwnage. Stick around till the end to see how this new mouse compares against the original Stormbreaker series. This new Stormbreaker variant is made from carbon fiber, has a larger shape, and also features solid sides. I have always been a fan of Ergo mice and used the original magnesium Stormbreakers for years. I'm excited to see how the carbon fiber stacks up against the original. Of course, I went with the gorgeous nacho colorway. Look at that purple. Adding purple to the dongle is a nice change. I also like how they changed the engravings on this new model. It gives it a different vibe than the original. The scroll wheel looks like the only area of the mouse that still needs updated. I'm impressed. The solid sides are extremely well done. The carbon is strong and does not flex like it does on a final mouse. Inside the box are a wide range of grips, skates, and accessories. The first thing I notice is that the mouse does feel significantly bigger in hand. The engravings on M1 and M2 have an indentation that helps to keep my claw grip locked in. This mouse really is a wonder of modern engineering. The purple color is so pleasing, and the overall shell is so unique and well built. The paint has a nice sheen to it, and the coating feels consistent across the entire unit. The mouse weighs 45 grams, but feels as light as air thanks to the holes. Now let's compare to the original magnesium version and see what's what. While this is the same colorway, the paint looks very different on these two models. On the original magnesium version, there is a more electric purple. We also see the holes on the sides, which are not the most comfortable. As previously mentioned, the original dongle is black. A definite upgrade on the CF Max. The biggest difference between these two mice is that the CF Max feels significantly bigger. Pwnage says it's only a 5% increase, but it certainly feels bigger than that when holding it now. The carbon fiber material does not react as easily to temperature changes like the original magnesium, which can often feel cold in hand. I do enjoy the new side button design and the bigger buttons. It's very intuitive to use. As Shroud would say, we need to test the mice on mousepads from the same brand. Here is the new Ultra Glide Pyramid glass pad. The surface feels smooth with a bit of resistance. One thing I don't like about this pad is that it reacts to sweat on my arm and leaves a wet-looking smear behind. Not ideal. Now let's compare the clicks on these two versions of the Stormbreaker. First up, we have the original magnesium. Clicks are medium spammable, but have a nice metallic sound and feedback. All of the clicks are very consistent in feel and sound, except for the scroll click, which needs tuning and improvement. Now let's bring in the CF Max for comparison. We'll also try some dot skates on this new unit. The CF Max clicks are much more spammable and have less debounce time. There is also a crispier sound with the carbon fiber. If you enjoy bigger Ergo mice, I highly recommend picking up a CF Max. See you next time, gamers.